since these gates are going to be very busy indeed. It doesn't matter that I cannot get inside Mohali Stadium right now because my adventures are taking me much further afield. Yes, hello and welcome to Taste Match, the show that aims to bring together the culinary and cricket watching. You don't always have to be just bowled over by bats and balls, not when a bowlful of some of the finest fare the city offers awaits you. Yes, if you're looking to match your game with some of the finest food in town, well, you've certainly come to the right place, as have we. And with that, our adventures here in Chandigarh begin. With the city centre just around the corner, we're on the hunt for the finest flavours in the greatest range for budgets big and small. All for the pre- or post-match fans, as long as they're famished. Because, as I discovered, you cannot exaggerate the power of the Patiala peg. You'll see. Alright, so our first spot of the day is one of those places that you simply cannot hit the city without visiting. I'm told, though, it's the kind of place where you need to bring a big appetite with you. Why? Well, simply because here everything's served with grease, gravy and goodness. And who really can argue with that?
Welcome to Pal Dhaba. और सबसे बढ़िया आपको पाल ढाबे में बटर चिकन, बटर मटन, बटर मगज, नॉन वेज में all item.
So we're not here for the ambience, obviously, but there's a reason why for 70 odd years now, foodies have been flocking to Pals for the best butter chicken money can buy and a lot else besides. I have literally never seen this much butter in my entire life, ever. Butter, 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 butter. And I haven't even got all my food yet. To my peril, I had decided to sample all of the house specialities. There was the magnificent masala-laden meat curry, the decadent dahi mutton, the cheese naan that defies description. There was the luscious lacha paratha, the epic brain curry, and of course the legendary butter chicken, which henceforth may be named chicken butter. कितना मक्खन यूज करते हैं दिन में?
मैडम करीब 20 केजी मक्खन लग जाता है.
20 केजी हर दिन?
ऑल आइटम में. चलो एक रोटी के ऊपर करीब कोई 10-15 ग्राम. हाँ. 10-15 ग्राम. 15 ग्राम.
और बटर चिकन में?
बटर चिकन में एक फुल बटर चिकन में कम से कम 200 ग्राम. पाल ढाबा को लोग इसीलिए याद करते हैं. हाँ. हाँ, ये एकदम देसी घी का खाना. हाँ. बटर से बना हुआ.
And here in the heart of Chandigarh, we discovered the solution to the oil shortage across the world. This is an incredible spread. I have literally never been served this much butter in my life. All I can say is, someone please tell me there's an ambulance waiting outside because this is a cardiac arrest on a plate. Yes, sirens are going off in my head, though I must confess of the happy variety. I'm bowled over. Here then is the hat trick for happiness. Grease, grease, served with just a little more grease. Only my mother could see me now. Good God. You know what's falling? Butter. You know what it's falling into? More butter. All right. So anyway, here's the butter chicken. I need to see if it lives up to its reputation. I see where its reputation comes from. This is the most delectable butter chicken I have ever had. But it turns out, despite everything that I'm sampling, that the true Chandigarh food experience still eludes me.
बोले सर, शाम को विस्की लियो, फिर बटर चिकन खाया हो, फिर बटर चिकन का अपना नजारा.
तो सिर्फ है ना, ये सबसे स्टेपल है, विस्की और बटर चिकन.
जी, 2 पैक लेते हैं शाम को. ब्रेन हुआ, दही चिकन हुआ, कुछ भी. ये लेग हुआ या ब्रेन हुआ तो बिना विस्की के मजा ही नहीं है खाने का.
I think I'm better off sticking to the food. Alright, I can see now why this is an absolute must visit. I'm not sure I am ever going to be the same again. In fact, I'm not even convinced this place is entirely legal. Seriously, there has to be a limit on the kind of butter one is allowed to use. It's been actually an incredible meal. I now have, believe it or not, another place to head to, which means my stretcher awaits anon.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.